Have you ever thought about starting a health and fitness YouTube channel but not sure where to begin? So in this video, I'm going to share with you and walk through how to create an engaging content using AI tools. So just stick around and I'll throw in some golden nuggets along the way. Okay, if you look at this, Bestie is a health channel and they just have B-rolls giving advice, tips how to lose weight. And if you look at the YouTube stats, they're making 4 grand, 4,000 every month. So if you look at another channel, just like this, almost the same thing with a lot of views. See, 800 over K views 1 year ago. And they're making about 3,000 odd per month. Not bad. So right now I'm going to show you how to do it exactly. Just suppose you like this video and you want to recreate this video, not to clone but to innovate. Let's check it out. Okay, this is the ads.
Nutella, start your day with happiness.
Maintaining optimal eye health is
Okay.
vital for achieving a high quality.
Alright, just suppose you like to create something like this, okay, with the same content. So what I'll do is just click on copy the link and go to this page called downstop.com. This is where you can download the transcript. Okay, so this is the video. Just click text, it will download the transcript. Okay, so next what we'll go to is we'll go to ChatGPT. So you use this ChatGPT free account to get it rewritten. Okay, upload. Alright, so this is a text. Alright, rewrite this YouTube content and make it original. Make it engaging and interesting. Add a hook in the first 3 seconds of the video. Okay. Okay, so they have a hook and they have an intro. Great. Okay, so now I have the content and I will use another tool called InVideo. To create videos like this, we basically need the script, the video, and the voiceover. So once you go to InVideo, I have an account in video. I'll just show you. Once you log in, you go to this page. So we click on script to video. YouTube. You paste the script over there. So this will also create background music. So I like to create a calm music. Calm, soft music. And the settings I'll use probably use a male, use a clear American voice. And for narrator, you can use narrator or you can use any of the speakers, choice of speakers. Anyway, you can change it later on. Add subtitle. You can add subtitle or you can add without a subtitle. It's up to you. Okay, but I like to use subtitle, and I like to use iStop, and I like to use background music. So this is a bonus here. If you click on YouTube audio library, you will not have any issue when you do monetization, because YouTube audio library, the music's over there, are royalty free. However, if you use Storyblocks, you will have issues. When you upload in YouTube, it will mention that certain music cannot be monetized. So best to use YouTube audio library. Okay. So once we have this, okay, let's look at the script. Okay, you may want to remove some of this. Okay. Okay, so if you're happy with the script, okay, so we go to the next page. So over here, you can put 24,000 words. So 24,000 words is about approximately, I think about 30 minutes. Okay, so once you're happy with this, click on continue. Okay, and then you click on generate a video. What I love about InVideo is that it can able to read and understand your content, and it will also suggest the footages. Okay, this will take just a while. Okay, over here you ask the audience, which is the audience that of my video. So I'm looking for help, and I'm looking for inspiration, and it's a YouTube platform. So click continue, and I'll wait again for a few minutes. Okay, so the video is done, and this is the video. So if you notice there are watermarks, not to worry, but once you export, it will be, or the watermark will be removed. Okay, so this video is about 2 minutes long. Okay, let's check it out, see if this is something that we are looking for.
Want to see the world clearly and keep your eyes sharp for years to come? Let's dive into the 6 powerful nutrients your eyes need right now. Your vision is your window to the world, allowing you to experience life in vivid color and detail.
Wow, okay. Let's say if you're not happy with some of the footage, then click edit. Okay, so it can either replace some of the images that we want, or we want to edit the script. So if you notice there's a pause over here, this is where I like to remove the pause. Okay, so what InVideo does is it will separate into different chapters, like the intro chapter, and this the item vitamin A. So it has a pause for about a second. So this is where I manually remove. Okay, it's totally optional. So once you've done it, click apply change. It will re-synesthetize again and change the script again. Okay, so just suppose I like to change the voiceover probably to female. Okay, okay, let's say I want to change it to female. Change the voice over to a female. So what it does is, in the background, it will change the voice. It will just take about a couple of seconds. Depending on how long is your video, if it's 2 minutes, it probably take a few seconds. If it's longer, then it take just a bit longer. Okay, let's try.
Want to see the world clearly and keep your eyes sharp for years to come? Let's dive into the 6 powerful nutrients your eyes need right now. Your vision is your window to the world, allowing you to...
Nice. Okay, just suppose I want to make the subtitle to the top. Okay, or I want to add the subtitle to the middle. Okay, and make the subtitle to be yellow.
to experience life in vivid color and detail. But did you know that
Isn't it
certain
cool?
nutrients play a huge role in keeping your eyesight clear and healthy? In this video, we'll break down 6 crucial vitamins and nutrients that support eye health, prevent age-related issues, and
Just suppose I'm happy with this, I just click on download. Okay, that's all. If you're ready to create your first video and post it on YouTube, click on the link below to sign up with InVideo. It's free to try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.